Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an aesthetic car window photo using Gemini. So basically, it's like you out of the car window. You'll see what I mean when I have actually generated the image. I will put the prompt in the description box down below, but you're going to insert this prompt here and you're going to insert your image and create images here, and you're going to press submit. This is not me, by the way. I wish I looked like her. I've said that so many times. Maybe if I said it enough times, I will actually look like her. Definitely need plastic surgery for that, but this is what the image should look like at the end. It's still generating like this. Super aesthetic. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.